Good morning, children. Today I am going to start lesson 4, History for class 7. The chapter is the Mughal Empire. As you know, Babur attacked India in early 16th century. At that time, India was an easy prey for any invader. It was divided into a number of small states. These small states or kingdom were incapable of standing up to any foreign aggression. Delhi had lost its glory under Ibrahim Lodi. His personal official opposed him and invited Babur to invade India. The situation in Punjab, Gujarat, Bengal, Malwa, Rajputana, Kashmir, etc. was quite bad. There was widespread lawlessness and disorder. The local rulers were unpopular among the masses. At that time, Babur laid the foundation of Mughal Empire in India. He was succeeded by his son Humayun, but it was Humayun's son Akbar the Great who proved to be the real glory of the Mughal Empire. Now, let us study about the Mughal Empire in detail. First of all, we are going to study about Babur. Children, as you know, the time period of Babur in our country is 526 to 530 CE. Zahir-ud-Din Muhammad, commonly known as Babur. Babur means tiger, was the great grandson of Taimur and a descendant of Turkish ruler Chengiz Khan, who had invaded India several times. Babur was a brave soldier, an experienced general, a skilled horse rider, a sure shooter, and a skilled king. After becoming the ruler of Kabul, he conquered Ghazni and Samarkand. But his failure to bring Samarkand permanently under his control made him to give up his ambition of expanding his empire in Central Asia. He had to head toward India. Babur was also attacked by fabulous wealth of India. Babur became the ruler of Hindustan by defeating the army of Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat in 1526 CE. His victory ended the power of Afghan and boosted his economic security and influence. He distributed his wealth generally to buy the confidence of the public and Afghan chiefs who had opposed him. Babur was not only a great military commander but also a learned scholar, great warrior, he wrote Babarnama, which shows us a detailed information about him. In the next video, we will study about Humayun, which rule was from 1530 to 1540 and from 1555 to 1556 CE. Have a nice day.